Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0018 trouble code? Ignoring this can lead to rough idling, poor acceleration, and even serious engine damage. In today's video, we'll cover what P0018 means, where the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors are located, very important, and how to diagnose and fix this issue. And at the end, I'll suggest two more videos, P0170, fuel trim malfunction, and P0480, cooling fan control circuit malfunction. Let's get started. What does P0018 mean? The P0018 code stands for crankshaft position, camshaft position correlation, bank 2 sensor A. This means the crankshaft and camshaft timing is out of sync in bank 2 of the engine. The engine control module, or ECM, cannot properly control ignition timing and fuel injection, which can, lead to performance issues. Symptoms of P0018 include check engine light turning on, engine misfire or rough idling, loss of power and poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, and engine knocking noises. Common causes of P0018 are faulty camshaft position sensor, or CMP, defective crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, worn or stretched timing chain or belt, failed variable valve timing, or VVT, solenoid, and timing components installed incorrectly. Alright, so where are the sensors located for the P0018 trouble code? First up, the camshaft position sensor, or CMP for short. The camshaft position sensor, bank 2 sensor A, is usually located near the top of the engine. You'll find it close to the timing cover or valve cover on bank 2, which is typically the passenger side in V6 and V8 engines. Next, we have the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP. This sensor is typically found near the bottom of the engine. It's close to the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. In most vehicles, you can find it mounted on the engine block or the transmission bell housing. Variable valve timing, or VVT, solenoid location. The VVT solenoid is usually near the camshaft or timing chain cover. It controls the oil flow to the camshaft actuators to maintain proper timing. And a quick tip, always check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor locations. First, check the engine oil. Low or dirty oil can disrupt camshaft timing. If needed, change the oil and filter. First, check the engine oil. Low or dirty oil can disrupt camshaft timing. If needed, change the oil and filter. Alright, next up, inspect the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors. Use an OBD2 scanner to check the sensor readings. If you find that a sensor is faulty, well, it's time to replace it. Now let's move on to checking the timing chain or belt. If you notice that the timing chain or belt is loose, stretched, or even broken, it definitely needs to be replaced. Finally, inspect the VVT solenoid. If the solenoid is clogged or stuck, it can cause timing issues, so make sure to clean it or replace it if necessary. 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code and take a test drive. So that's everything you need to know about P0018 crankshaft and camshaft correlation, bank 2 sensor A. If your car is showing this code, start by checking the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors, timing chain, and oil condition. Sometimes a simple sensor replacement or oil change can fix the issue, but in serious cases you might need timing chain repairs. Before you go, check out these related videos. 1. P0170 fuel trim malfunction. 2. P0480 cooling fan control circuit malfunction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.